Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm going to show you how to use potato on your skin to get the maximum benefit. Potato contains a high percentage of vitamin C, which is very good when it comes to the skin. It adds collagen to the skin and hence making the skin very elastic. This is going to prevent premature aging. It gets rid of acne and gets rid of dark spots. It gets rid of suntan and reduces fine lines. In general, it is going to even out your skin tone and give it a brighter complexion. And the good thing about it is the fact that it is so cheap and you can find it everywhere. So if you want that perfect skin, keep watching this video. So to start off, I'm gonna slice my potato into thin slices. Now a little bit is gonna go a long way, so you don't need to slice so many. If you're gonna use it for other parts of your body, then you're gonna need some more. Now starting from a clean face, I'm gonna wrap the potato on my face. Don't forget your eye area and the chin area. You can wrap it on your neck too. Do this till the juice in the slice is finished, then you can pick up another slice and keep on rubbing it on your face. After this, just leave it on your face for about 10 minutes or till it dries off. Then, wash it off with lukewarm water. Now, if you do this every day, you're gonna see the improvement for yourself within 7 days. It's especially very good for those who have dark patches on your skin. It is very gentle and it's not gonna irritate your skin in any way. It's gonna give you that natural and younger looking glow. Okay guys, so this is it. Give it a try and let's see how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.